Hey, I'm Jebb Graff, and I'm going to share with you another 17 Hats another 17 Hats tutorial. This one's a pretty quick one, but it's a common thing that comes up in the 17 Hats user community on Facebook that I just figured it might be handy to have a link to show you how to do it. So the gist of the question that keeps coming up is, if I have multiple brands in my 17 Hats account, can I share templates from one brand to another, or can I access templates from like my main brand from another brand? The answer is absolutely yes, and it's easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So you're going to open up 17 Hats, of course, and you're going to go up here to the, let me get this out of my way. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I have a window in my way. Okay, you're going to go up here to the top right of your screen, and there is this shortcut that takes you straight to documents and emails, so you don't have to do 2 clicks by going to settings and then documents and emails. So you can just hit it here, and you're going to get, this tab that shows all your templates. So what we want to do is, maybe we want to share one, maybe we want to share all of them. I don't know. So we're going to go click on sharing. It's going to look grayed out until you click on it, and then it becomes active. So it's the 4th tab over under documents and emails, and you're going to click on start sharing templates. Now you're going to see a list of all your templates that you can share. And if you have a whole bunch, you might want to filter if you're just trying to pick a particular one. I'm going to come back to this in just a sec, but I also want to show you, you can create a bundle of templates to share. So this is what you would use if you want to go ahead and send all of your templates over to your other brand. You would just give it a name, main account templates might be good, whatever you want. You can call it Krusty the Clown if you want. And then you would go and select all these checkboxes and move forward, just like we're going to do here, but with one. So here, the last person I saw ask this question on Facebook asked specifically about a workflow. So I'm just going to filter by workflows, and I'm going to go down here and let's see. I think my other account already has Headshots 1. So I'm going to share Headshots 2. I want to share this workflow. Then I go down here and you'll see this green box. I'm going to click on the check mark that says, yes, I created this template and I have the right to share it. So you don't want to share ones that you don't have the right to, or that you have paid for. You want to have other people, if you're trying to share them with a friend, you want to have them pay for any that you've paid for. Be ethical, be cool, do the right thing. So now we've got that. We're just going to click share template. And I realize that if I stop for a second, that may have been a little bit confusing because we're talking about just sharing within brands. But you can also share with other 17 Hats users. This has been really helpful. I have helped get people set up with their 17 Hats accounts. And, we've been able to work on a template, and then I just send them a share code. So anyway, back to the lesson at hand. So we're going to go down here, and this box will have come up. Window box, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to click copy code. And I'm going to go ahead and click finished. And now I'm going to go up to the upper right-hand portion of my screen and click on my brand. That's what's going to give us access to our other brands. And I'm going to click on JG Consulting. I haven't set this up, so don't worry. You're not going to see any client information. This is kind of my dummy account. So now that we're in here in the second brand, I'm going to go back to documents and emails. And now I'm going to click import. All I have to do is paste in that share code and click add template or bundle. Now you're not going to see it pop up here because that was a workflow. Had it been an email, it'd be here in the emails section. So I'm just going to go over here to workflow and look at my templates, and looky there. There it is, ready for me to go in and edit. So I hope that was helpful. You can check out some of my other 17 Hats videos here on YouTube. You're always welcome to leave in the comments if you have any other questions that I might be able to make a helpful video about. Anyway, thanks for watching.